Welcome, dear viewers, to the fascinating world of wood, which hides secrets and riches, attracting the attention of designers, craftsmen, and art connoisseurs from all over the world. Today, we will embark on a fascinating journey to unravel the mystery of the most precious wood. Wood is a living symbol of natural beauty and ineffable elegance. Within its structure lies a unique history that runs for decades and sometimes even centuries. But what makes some types of wood so valuable that their value is off the charts? To understand this phenomenon, we need to look into the very essence of wood. It is a material that combines beauty and functionality, giving us the ability to create works of art, sturdy structures, and many other things. However, as with any other resource, not all wood species are equal in their value. That's why today, we're going to tell you about the woods that incorporate all the qualities of rarity, beauty, and uniqueness. We will explore why certain types of wood become so valuable, as well as how they are used in different areas of our lives. There are many types of wood in the world, each with its own unique history and value. Allow me to introduce you to a few of them. 1. Amur oak. This oak is a true gem of Siberia. Its incredible strength and luxurious grain make it one of the most valuable woods in the world. Amur oak grows in the harsh climatic conditions of the Amur region, where cold winters and short summers create unique growth rings that give the wood its special value. 2. Ebony. Ebony is known for its dark and lustrous wood, which is used to create magnificent works of art. It grows mainly in African countries such as Gabon, Cameroon, and Madagascar. 3. Brazilian rose. This is a woody plant whose name sounds like a melody. Its wood has a rich red hue and flavor that is combined with high durability. Brazilian rose grows in the rainforests of Brazil and other South American countries. Each of these woods has its own unique characteristics that make them so valuable in a variety of arts and industries. From finishing furniture to creating musical instruments, they play an important role in enriching our culture and the world around us. Each of these precious woods has its own path to perfection. Let's break down how long it takes for these trees to reach their highest value. Typically, Amur oak, which grows in the harsh environment of Siberia, takes over 100 years for its grain and quality to reach its peak. These woody veterans grow slowly, but each ring of their growth is enriched with unique characteristics. Ebony, on the other hand, also takes time to become truly valuable. It can grow for more than 50 years before its wood becomes ideal for creating unique pieces of art. The factors that influence the quality and value of wood are incredibly varied. The climate in which it grows determines its grain and color. The soil provides the wood with the nutrients it needs. The care of the tree, its protection from pests and disease all affect the end result. It's no wonder that trees grown in certain conditions can have unique properties that make them especially valuable. Now that we've appreciated the uniqueness and value of expensive wood, let's move on to looking at the areas where it finds its use. Furniture. Woods from species such as Amur oak and Brazilian rose are perfect for making furniture. From elegant tables to cozy chairs, these types of wood give products a unique look and durability. Musical instruments. Ebony, due to its dense and tight grain, is often used to create musical instruments. Violins, guitars, and pianos made from the expensive wood sound particularly harmonious and melodic. Art and decor. Brazilian rose and other types of expensive wood are used in art and decor. Wood carving, inlaying, and creating unique details all bring out the beauty and elegance of this wood. And thus, these expensive types of wood not only have outstanding qualities, but are also an integral part of our everyday experience, beautifying our lives and the world around us. The next stage of our journey will be to explore the processing of this precious wood, which gives it even more magnificent forms and properties. Now that we understand the value and unique properties of expensive wood, let's look behind the scenes and examine exactly how it is treated and prepared for use. Special treatment methods. The treatment of precious wood is an art that requires care and skill. from the initial treatment, which includes dressing and smoothing, to more advanced stages such as varnishing and polishing. Each step is done with great care to preserve its unique characteristics. Complexity and attention to detail. A special feature of the treatment of expensive wood is its dense structure and sensitivity to heat and moisture. This makes the treatment more complex and requires constant monitoring to avoid warping or loss of valuable wood properties. So, how are these unique types of wood transformed into works of art and practical objects that adorn our lives? Tables and chairs. Making furniture from precious wood is a true art. Tables with elegant textures and chairs with exquisite curves become not only functional pieces, but also valuable works of art. Musical instruments. The power and sound of music is felt in every note, and the quality of the instrument affects the emotions of the musician and his audience. Violins and guitars made of expensive wood have a special sound that captures the soul. Wood carving and decor. Ebony and other expensive woods are popular materials for wood carving and creating unique decorative elements. Virtuoso carvers create amazing masterpieces, emphasizing the beauty of the natural material. These products are valued not only for their aesthetic value, but also for the unique properties of expensive wood, which give them a unique character and durability. Every portion of wood, every touch of the tool, every detail of the furniture, all this testifies to the embodiment of skill and passion for the creation of magnificent works. Let's move on to the question of the cost and market value of expensive wood. What makes this natural resource so valuable, and what factors affect its price? Factors affecting value. The value of expensive wood is determined by several key factors. First of all, rarity plays an important role. The rarer a certain type of wood is, the higher its value. Quality is another factor. Unique textures, shades, and properties of wood can significantly increase its price. Size and shape also have an impact. Large pieces of wood are often more valuable because they can be used to create larger and more majestic pieces. Examples of prices. Let's illustrate this with examples. Amur oak, which takes many years to reach optimum value, can cost anywhere from several hundred to several $1,000s per cubic meter. Ebony, with its dark and lustrous wood, is also quite valuable. Even a small piece of ebony can cost several $100s. Expensive wood products are also expensive. For example, furniture or decorative pieces can cost anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s, depending on the complexity of the design and the level of hand craftsmanship. In conclusion, expensive wood is not only a material value, but also a real heritage of nature. Its unique characteristics developed over many years make it an indispensable material in art and industry. These types of wood combine rarity, beauty, and unique properties that make them sought after by designers, artists, and manufacturers. They add uniqueness and elegance to anything made from their wood. The value of expensive wood is not just the numbers on the stock exchange, it is its contribution to culture and art. It will forever be a part of our world, adorning our homes, inspiring music, and inspiring admiration for its unique beauty. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with new exciting topics and videos. Thank you for your attention and interest in this exciting journey into the world of precious wood.